Hello friends, hopes whatever we learned yesterday, you complete those kanjis. Yesterday we learned he, sun kanji, chuki, moon kanji and ki, tree kanji. So hope you finished all these three kanjis. Okay, let's start today's practice. Today is second day practice. Today we will learn yama, kawa and ta. You know this kanji comes from the mountain. So it is the simplification pictograms of this picture. Kawa also simplification of river and ta rice field also simplification kanji form of rice field. Okay. So this kanji made from this. Okay. Today we will learn yama, kawa and ta. Yama meaning is mountain, kawa meaning is river, ta or da meaning is rice field. Okay. Let's start. Today we will practice three kanji. The first kanji is yama meaning is mountain. Okay. No need to say because figure is here. You can see that meaning of this kanji is this. Okay. Kunyomi, yama and onyomi, sun. Okay. Kakikata writing. Here I already given the stroke order. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. Still again I am writing here, so it will be easy for you. Ichi, ni, san. Okay. Kakusu 3. 3 strokes are there in this kanji. You are a beginner, so it is very simple kanji. It is easy to remember how many strokes a kanji carries. But when we learn, because these lessons we are not going to stop any day. Every day we learn from basic to advanced. So when we enter from basic to advanced, that time difficult kanjis will become in our learning. So that time we need to remember how many strokes a kanji carries, because there are so many strokes in a single kanji. So we need to count when we write a kanji. Okay. So write words yama, mountain, Fujisan. When this kanji comes after a mountain name, this reading became san. Never ever confuse with the reading of san we use after a person's name. हम इंसान और पीपल के नेम के बाद में सान भी यूज करते हैं. दिस सान and this san are different kanjis. Okay. इसका कांजी माउंटेन कांजी है, इसका अलग कांजी है, हम आगे जाकर पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. सो फुजी सान, माउंट फुजी. ओके. लाइक दिस हिमालय सान, माउंट हिमालय. अल्पस सान, माउंट अल्पस. नीलगिर सान, माउंट नीलगिर. Like this. Okay. We learn kanji and also 2 words. Another word is Kajan. You can say volcano also erupt from the mountain. No. Kajan. Kajan means a volcano. Kajan means a volcano. Okay. This kanji reading will be Jan. Okay. This is fire kanji, he kanji. हम आगे जाकर पढ़ेंगे. We will learn later. Okay. So Kajal a volcano. So we learn Yama kanji and 3 words. Let's practice this kanji. Ichi ni san Yama. Ichi ni san Yama and san. Fujisan no san. Kajan no jan. Ichi ni san. Ichi ni san. Ichi ni san. You can say also write Fuji san. Fuji san. Mount Fuji. Fuji san. Mount Fuji. Okay. Kajan. Instead of kanji, you can also write ka and jan. Kajan. Okay. So, hope you remember this kanji. This kanji is meaning is mountain. Kunyomi Yama, Onyomi San, and there are 3 strokes. Okay. Understood? Let's practice next kanji. This kanji meaning is river. As from the picture you can get the meaning of the kanji. River. इस kanji का meaning है river. Kunyomi, Kunyomi, Kawa and Gawa. And Onyomi, same. As it is written in the bracket, it is okay if you don't remember. Kakikata, Ichi, Ichi ni san. Kakusu 3. Let's learn some word. Ichi ni san. Kawa. River. Nairu. Gawa. If this kanji comes after a river's name, this pronunciation changes to Gawa. Nairu. Gawa. Like this you can say Ganges Gawa, Yamuna Gawa, this way. Okay, let's practice 3 times. Ichi ni san Kawa. 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 Okay? Did practice? Please write Kawa. River. Nairu Gawa. Nairu Gawa. River Nile. Okay. Next, look at here. This is rice field like a square shape. This kanji also made like this square shape. Meaning is rice field. Kunyomi, ta and da. Onyomi, Onyomi is then. Kakikata, how to write the kanji? Ichi ni san, ichi ni san si, ichi ni san si go. Okay. Kakusu 5 strokes. Tanbonota, a rice field. Yamada, Yama kanji we already learned, so make 2 kanji. A word, Yamada, a Japanese name, any word. Yeah, Tanaka, there is another name also, but it's okay, we just learn 2 words of this kanji. So, now we practice. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, ta, tanbono, ta. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, tanbono, ta, Yamada no, da, meaning is rice field. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. Ta, rice field. Ichi, ni, san, si, go. tanbono ta rice field. Okay, understood? Remember, so today we learn 3 kanjis. One is yama, another is kawa, and another is ta. Okay, rice field. Yama, mountain, kawa, river, and tanbono ta, rice field. So 3 kanjis please practice today and complete today, because tomorrow we are going to learn another 3 kanjis. These are simple kanjis, so we are learning 3 kanjis in a day. Okay, so easily you can understand and also memorize. हम बोलते हैं कि 10 बार पढ़ने से ज़्यादा एक बार लिख लो. सो इसीलिए अगर हम 3-4 बार लिख लेते हैं तो वो इजीली याद रह जाता है. ठीक है, सो प्लीज finish today's lesson today only. Again tomorrow we are going to learn another 3 kanji.